how to set up and use the Spotify blend. So if this video helped you, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So let's go and head on to our Spotify application in our phone. So usually when you open up your Spotify, you will see the home page, and before you can see the blend option here in the playlist created by you for Spotify, and it was named as make for two or made for two, but this time you can see it in your library. Tap on that plus icon and tap on that blend option. So once you are here, you can see the invite button, so you need to tap on that to invite your friends. So if you have some friends, you will see your friends list, and for me, you can also see the socials in here, where you can copy the link or the URL of the invite of the playlist, and your friend can go to it, and both of you can now see the blend playlist that you have made for the both of you. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.